does the timing of withdrawals matter? So the registrant asked whether they could pay for the 4 years of college out of pocket and then reimburse themselves through the 529 plan.
So the expenses need to occur in the year that you make the distribution. That's the simple way to think about it. So in the calendar year, and that's kind of tricky because there's an academic year and a calendar year. So what you got to understand with the 529, it's the IRS regulating it. So whatever the expense is needs to fall in the same year that you're looking for a qualified distribution to fund that expense. So hopefully that's kind of a simple way to think about it, because sometimes you'll want to pay a bill in January. It's not due till January. If you want it to hit for the last year, you got to make sure the expense aligns with the qualified distribution for that tax year.
Excellent.
I will say just on that too, Mark, is like just the two ways that you can take a distribution is the one, you can have it sent directly from the 529 college savings plan to the university, which is actually a pretty nice way to do it. Keeps it pretty simple. It's a little more complex if you say, you know what, send us the check, we'll keep the expenses, and we're going to use those dollars. But you need to make sure that you keep record of what those expenses were in that year, in the case of if there were to be an audit or something like that. So that just kind of rounds out that question.